Tiger tube. It's Tiger Tube, roar, and today we're making toilet roll soup. So let's get to it. First, add 1 cup of toilet roll. And then 1 tablespoon of toilet roll. And a dash of toilet roll. And then you mix it, 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 mix it. Make sure it's at no fire at all to make that jerky flavour come out. And then you just leave it to sit there for 20 years. If you want to add a bit more jerky flavour into there, just cover it with anything. And then just wait. And then once it's finished, and there you have it, voila! Then you put the soup into a bowl. And there you have it. That's how to make toilet roll soup. So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed it in this video. And subscribe down below, put a thumbs up. It's Tiger Tube, roar!